Moving on to the eighth question. So in this question, it is an interesting question. So try to understand this question. Okay. So a door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. Suppose this is a wall we consider. Okay. Now we'll read the question. Okay. So the length of the wall is 4.5 meter and the breadth of the wall is 3.6 meter. So figure is given in the textbook. You can see. So basic thing is that wall is in the shape of what? Rectangle. So its length is given as 4.5 meter, okay, and the breadth is 3.6 meter. 4.5 meter and 3.6 meter. So basically a door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in the wall. So this wall, in this wall, a door is fitted which is of length, so its length is 2 meter and the breadth is 1 meter. Okay. Now we have to find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing the wall is 20 kilometers square. So we have to just find the, we have to whitewash only the wall. Okay, remember this thing that we have to whitewash only the wall. So we have to remove this door. That means we have to exclude. Okay, exclude and removing is the same thing. Okay, so you have to exclude this thing. So basically first you have to find this area of the wall, entire area of the wall, then you have to subtract this area of the wall door, so that we'll get only this part of the area. See, we are excluding the other the door part, right? So when you take the whole area of the wall minus this area, okay, when you remove this you will get all this area. So okay, this part is removed. So basic idea of this question is this. Okay, so we'll write what all things are given. First you will find area of wall. Okay, so what will be the area of wall? It is nothing but rectangular shape, L into B. So what is the length here? 4.5. So 4.5 meter into 3.6 meter. That will give me 4.5 into 3.6, 16.2 meter square. Okay, multiply and see. Okay, now we area of door we have to find. Area of door which is also in the shape of rectangle. How to identify whether it is a shape of rectangle or not? It cannot be square. It can't be a square because the length and the breadth is given. In square it's basically all the sides are equal. So length and breadth are given, that means it's a rectangle. Okay, so area of the door is given L into B. What is the length here? 2 meter into breadth 1 meter. So 2 meter into breadth 1 meter, which will give me 2 meter square will be the area of door. Now what you have to do? Area to be whitewashed. Area to be whitewashed. So area to be whitewashed will be equal to area of wall minus area of door. From the area of wall I have to remove this area of door. So area of wall minus area of door. Okay, try to analyze this. This will equal area of wall is 16.2 meter square minus area of door is 2 meter square, which will give me 14.2 meter square. Now we got the area to be whitewashed. Now we have to find the cost also. So cost is given by, so cost, how to find the cost? So it is given as 1 meter square cost is 20 rupees, rupees 20. So how many meter square we have? 14.2 meter square. How much will be the cost? So this is the question. So we have to just multiply this with what? This, like unitary method. 1 chocolate 10 rupees, 10 chocolate how many rupees, that's and all. Okay, so unitary method you have to apply, just you have to multiply this thing. So it will give me 14.2 into 20, which will give me as answer 284 rupees. 284 rupees. So I got the answer. So this was an interesting question. So try to analyze and understand this.